Hi everyone, Attorney Timothy Dudley here at Johnson Law Group. People going through divorce often wonder, is there a downside to representing themselves? And the answer generally is yes in most situations. So let's talk about a few of the reasons. One of the downsides to representing yourself in a divorce is that going through a divorce is already incredibly stressful and emotionally difficult. And so on top of that, adding the time and effort that it takes to represent yourself and not knowing necessarily how to do so the way a lawyer would just adds to that stress. The second downside of representing yourself in a divorce is that the law is complicated, and without the experience of an attorney to know and understand the law, it's all too easy to make mistakes that could have a lasting effect on your life and your family's life. A third downside to representing yourself in a divorce case is that court procedure is often complicated and confusing. This can lead to significant delays in your case. It could lead the court to require you to do things over that you've already done. And in some situations, it could lead the court to dismiss your case and cause you to start the whole process over again from the beginning. So as you can see, representing yourself in a divorce case runs substantial risks. So call JLG today for a free consultation to discuss your options of having JLG represent you as your attorney or having JLG consult with you as you represent yourself in your divorce case.
Divorce ends marriages, not families. Call us at 720-445-4444 or visit our website at johnsonlgroup.com.